Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we talked about it last week. Some people were seeing a upgrade to Windows 11 on their Windows 10 PCs that were unsupported. And some, of course, were also getting a Windows 11 22H2 on Windows 11 21H2 machines that were unsupported also. So this, of course, came after Microsoft is pushing and doing a lot of work to try to push everybody into getting to Windows 11. So at first, Microsoft said on Thursday that they had pushed a fix, but the fix seemed like it didn't work because on Friday, people were still complaining that they were getting that full screen of, hey, you're ready, let's move on to Windows 11. And, of course, a lot of the machines were not supported. So over the weekend, a update was pushed to actually do a fix here. Actually, they kind of modified that, push to Windows 11. So according to Microsoft, starting today, Monday, the 27th of February, there shouldn't be these pop-ups anymore if your machine is unsupported. So if you had that annoying window, that is gone. For those that are supported, you will still continue getting that. Make sure that you click on the screen. It's not very visible, but there's a small place where it says decline offer. So you can decline. Once that is done, it doesn't appear anymore. But, they make it diff to kind of see where it is on the screen. So just look carefully, because they're kind of trying to trick people into moving to Windows 11. And I'm sure some people have moved to Windows 11 without necessarily wanting to, because they didn't see where it was written on the screen that you could decline the offer, because it's not that obvious, honestly. So they did the same thing, when Windows 7 and Windows 10 arrived. Windows 10, there was a nag screen in Windows 7 saying, hey, you got to move to Windows 10. It would be great. And, there was that same controversy of the decline offer wasn't very big, and it wasn't obvious for everybody to see where it was. So anyways, if you are unsupported, you should stop now having these nagging screens saying, hey, move to Windows 11, because you can't. You can in a way, but not the way that Microsoft wants you to do it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.